guys, well, I mean, this is really a useless video, but I just wanted to make another video. So, yeah, I'm making another video, and sooner or later, I will be making fort videos. Today, I might make a quick little fort video, but I do not know. It's the one freaking thing I do not know about. And yep, and I don't really know what else to do with my life, so yeah, I'm just gonna kind of have a bit of fun in my life, because I don't really have a lot of fun in my life. And here's my little doggy. Oh, last episode y'all didn't see her. Well, last video y'all didn't see her. Because I was at my friend's house. Isn't that right, Hope? Isn't that right? Well, you guys might be surprised on which I have. I just lately went to Daytona Beach. And then I have a fidget spinner. Yeah. So. Yeah, this one's kind of old now. I've had it for a while. So yeah. Quit. I'm about to be right back in just a few minutes, you guys, because this little boy, I swear to motherfucking God, I'm about to beat every shit out of you guys. I don't know what's wrong with it right now, but yeah, I got a little fidget spinner. So, yeah. Yeah, guys. I will be right back. I'm back. Well, it's basically something I got to show you. And then we went to a gift shop at the lighthouse, and I got some. Hold on. And I got some of mints. They say Ponce de Leon Inlet Lighthouse, Florida. And at the bottom it says mints. And it has the little lighthouse on it. Focus, you stupid thing. Yeah. But it ain't gonna focus it. But yeah. I kinda have that. My hair is messy today. I ain't really got anything to do with my life today, so yeah. And I also got this little thing. And if you make a wish and whenever it falls off, that means it came true. And I just got it, and well, it's not even falling off yet. I would tell you my wish, but I can't, or else it won't come true. I ain't really got anything else to talk about, though. Besides that, I will be making 4 videos soon. And that you guys my dog so lovable? Aren't you? Aren't you? Yeah, she's so lovable. But yeah. There's these like dudes right here that I watch. I think they have 2 channels that they do. Is More J Stew and then just J Stew Studios. And they make some bunker videos, like where they like build forts out of toilet paper and all that inside of Walmart and all that. And it's pretty friggin' hilarious. But yeah, I ain't really got anything else to talk about. Yeah. Say bye. Say bye. Look. Say bye. Say bye. He's so mean. But yeah, guys, like, subscribe. I'll comment back to you for basically the first 30 minutes. After I uploaded this video, I'll comment back to you after the first 30 minutes. And yeah, it's only going to take a few minutes for this video to upload anyhow, so yeah. But yeah. See you guys later. Bye.